I'm Terje, Group Sales Director at Element Logic. Automation only brings value if it moves the numbers.
I'm the Operation Manager for Hobbii. I've been a part of the journey growing this small manual warehouse to a fully automated operation. We went from a small crew of 20 people to now operating 24/7 in our peak period.
Long-term partnerships is about more than technology. We design solutions that adapt as your business evolves and stay by your side to ensure lasting value.
Working with Element Logic made the transition to AutoStore really smooth. Because AutoStore is modular, we could expand and connect modules gradually, almost like Lego, without stopping our operations.
With technologies like AutoStore, automation becomes an enabler, not a replacement. It empowers people with better tools, supporting decision-making, and open doors for new roles and new responsibilities. Speed you can schedule, next-day deliveries you can promise.
Together with AutoStore and Element, we have been able to push the system beyond what was initially simulated. Our record is 16,500 orders on a 24-hour day. On a good day, we process 800 to 1,000 orders per hour with nearly 70,000 picks in total.
Value starts with people. The core of our collaboration with Hobbii is a true partnership. Solutions designed to adapt as Hobbii grows, backed by automation expertise and a shared commitment to people.
That's what allows us to deliver fast, flexible, and delightful experience for our customers, while also having an amazing team.